So today I'll be showing you how to do a VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUPs are used to look up information or rows of data in Excel or any other spreadsheet program that you may be using. So for only this example, we have this table here with some students and the student IDs in the respective countries. So let's say if we want to find out student with an ID of 127 what their country of origin is, what we can do is use a VLOOKUP formula to retrieve this information. We start off by entering the equal sign in the VLOOKUP formula. And the first argument that we need to do or fill out is the lookup value. So in this case, it's this cell here, 127. Now we want to get the table array as the next argument. In this case, the table array, what we want are these two columns, because just to note that the lookup value should be on the left-hand side of the first column of whatever array that you select. That's how VLOOKUP works. And if you don't follow this, the formula won't work. The next argument after that is asking for the column index number. In this case, the index number is 2, as the first column is number 1, and it goes from left to right in that order. So because we want to return the countries, we enter 2, comma for the next argument, and then false to get an exact match. Now we can close parentheses to finish up the formula, and then press enter. And because I have this in a table, it's copied down the formula for the other student IDs, and we have the country of origins for the other students as well. Thanks for watching.